Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Wherever We Wander. We've come away in the van for a bit of a getaway at a home education camp. So I've brought the girls with me.
Hi! We're on breakfast.
Yeah, so it's early morning, we're just having breakfast. So there's no Kev with us. We've got
No boys
Amber.
allowed!
No boys allowed. So there's me, Amber and a friend Alice.
Alice?
So we've come to Ripon to a farm, and everybody who's home educated
It's right here
in the area has come with us, and we came last night, well we came yesterday, had a lovely night last night for the Equinox, and I'll show you the footage of that in a bit. And so this morning we just got up dead early and we're going to do some morning yoga. I'm not sure how much I'm going to be able to record while we're here because obviously there's other children, so I'll just get what I can and show you what a great time we've had if I can.
Yay!
So, here we all are gathered at the fire, ready to walk to the stone circle together with our lanterns that we'd made that day.
Spiraling into the center of the wheel. We are the weavers, we are the woven ones, we are the dreamers. And when I fall, let me fall, like a leaf, gracefully. Let's see those lanterns. And when I rise, let me rise, like a bird, joyfully.
How much out of 10 have you been having fun so far? 10.
I thought I'd show you around the campsite, as there's quite a lot to see because the owners have made a really good job of making the site eco-friendly with solar showers and compost toilets, as well as lots to do on site with the stone circles, the huts and little areas like this where the children can go and play on swings, climb trees and just have a really lovely time together. So here's the stone circle site, which the owner created himself, and the intention when building the stone circle was not to recreate something from the past, but to actually establish a sacred site for the future. There's also been animal burials here, and each stone represents an animal that has been buried on site. And on each stone they've carved a stylised image of its totem animal, so it's really nice to see. This is the roundhouse, and it kind of does look like a reconstruction of an Iron Age roundhouse, but that wasn't the intention. It was just to build a dwelling that would be in keeping with the landscape and the ethos of Lime Tree Farm, and it's actually a really nice place to be. We've used this on the camp to have film nights and meditation, and it's a really nice place to be with everybody. So we're just trying to make our way to a waterfall right now, and we've decided we're going across country, so this should be interesting. We have no idea where we're going.
Yeah,
so.
no absolute ideas. Never see us again. It's these two parents' fault. Emma and Claire.
And go!
How fast will we go down this? This fast.
So Hackfall is where we're going. So we've got about 8 minutes left until we're there. It's been quite the walk, but the girls have managed, so we're looking forward to seeing what's here, because we actually don't really know. We've just heard it on the campsite today, and then we've just decided to have a walk over and see what it's like, so we'll show you when we get there.
Hi, Mum.
Hi, Beak.
Where can you see through the hole? Hello, young people. Pull a funny face. Hello, wait. Hello, pull a funny face. Hello, pull a funny thing in my hand. We are walking to a waterfall.
This is what we found. I would imagine when it's really wet weather that would be a bit more ferocious. But this is a cute area for the girls to diddle in. They've even found a little seating area.
Does it feel good?
That's it.
Yeah, it's got green eyes. Has it actually got green eyes? I want to see. Everyone needs to examine this.
Oh, off he goes. Oh, he's on me. Oh, no, he's not. It is the last day today, last full day. We're staying for the night and then going in the morning, but it is the windiest day we've had. We've had really good weather, but it's really, really windy today, so everyone's like batting down the hatches with the tents. We don't have that problem in the van, but yeah, so there's quite a lot of Equinox things going on today. So after our ritual the other night, today we're going to be learning more about the Equinox and setting our intentions, and just letting go of any negative energy and things on the fire tonight. So I'll try and bring you along with the day as much as possible, but it is really windy, so I won't be able to like get much in the way of sound, I don't think, but we'll see. It's looking like it's going to be a really great day, so I'll try and get as much as I can.
Ancestors did was to burn sacred plants, sacred herbs, like what we were doing when we went into this circle yesterday. So this herb is actually from California. This is Californian white sage. But some of my teachers are from North America. North America, that's where California is. So I burn that. But these herbs are all from this land here, from the north of England. And there's rosemary in there and lavender, and I think there's a little bit of mugwort in there as well. My friend made that for me, so I'm going to burn a little bit of that as well. And then if it's alright with everyone, I'll just go around the circle and smudge. What I would say is, as I go around, is if you just really get yourself comfortable and connect with the earth beneath you and just notice your breath, so start to become more aware of your breathing and tune into your breath and notice where you can feel that movement of breath in your body. And just imagine this washing away any tension, any external distractions, and bringing you into this medicine circle.
The children found a little nest with some pigeon nestlings in it, so we tried to keep our distance, but I managed to zoom the camera in to take a good look at them. So cute. We're heading down to the main marquee and we're going to have a cabaret tonight. Are you excited? So it's buffet, cabaret, like the children are...
Let's go.
Maybe.
Well, there's music on, so...
The children are going to show off their talents, so it should be a fun night.
Cartwheels.
Lucy and Amber are going to do us some gymnastics. Go for it, girls. Got enough space. Yeah. Wow. Gorgeous cartwheels. And grabs. Wow. Amazing. Wow. Beautiful. Wow. Are you going to go back? Oh, that's amazing. You didn't know you were going to do that? Well, that was brilliant. That was very brilliant. Thank you.
How amazing do you feel?
So Alice is going to sing without a microphone, so we all just need to be nice and quiet. Okay, Alice.
He was a scared boy, she said he was a boy. He wasn't good enough for her. Now he's a secret sauce, slamming in his guitar. Show the world is what he's worth. Just scared.
We spent the rest of the night around the campfire, chatting and celebrating each other's achievements and setting our intentions for the season ahead.
It's the last morning and what a night it's been. We have had some of the worst winds that I've ever heard in this van. In people's tents, I was just about to say, are like starting to come down. We've had, I'll show you. We've had an awning collapse over there, and people's tents are blown like crazy. They've done well to stay up though, but I think it's time for these two girlies to get ready because we are going to help people get the tents down, aren't we? So we're going to get ready, girls?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this as quick as we can. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! Nice shot.
Thanks. Oh, amazing. That was quick, girls. Well done. Woohoo, let's get on with our day.
Yeah!
So as you can see, the winds are absolutely wild and we had a job on our hands to get this tent down without it blown away and taking us with it.
Now that was an eventful time putting the tent away, so we're just packing up, getting ready to go now basically. Have we all had a nice week, girls?
Yeah!